おはようございます。パキスタン大使公邸へようこそ。私、パキスタン大使のイムティアーズ・アフマドです。私と一緒にいるのは家内のサディアです。彼女は今パキスタンの民族衣装、シャルワーカミーズを着ています。どうぞ中に入ってください。こっちはね、リビングルームですね。お客さんが来るとね、ここに座ります。ダイニングルームを紹介します。どうぞ入ってください。はい、ここはですね、ダイニングルームで24人座りのダイニングルームです。よくお客さんが来るとね、ここでパキスタン料理を紹介しております。ここで作ったカレーはですね、お客さんに大人気ですよ。だからね、一回来たお客がまたここに来たいんですよ。Okay, now we are going to introduce the dish, chicken karahi. This dish will be cooked by my chef, Mr. Tariq Ali Khan. Mr. Tariq has experience of 13 years. He is with me in a vessel for last 1 year. So first we are going to make chicken karahi. Actually, let me tell you that karahi is name of the pot. So that's why it's called chicken karahi, because it's cooked in karahi. And there are various kinds of karahi, like chicken karahi, like mutton karahi, beef karahi. In chicken karahi, we are going to use the chicken with bones because it is more tasty. Then we are going to use tomatoes, chili flakes, green chilies, ginger, coriander, and oil. These are the ingredients, and also, of course, salt in it also. We have kept chocolate. We will use it, and when we have cooked it, we will use it. It is for flavor and to make it more tasty. We are going to put oil in the pot, karahi, and we will let it to heat up. First, we are going to fry the chicken. When we fry the chicken, we make in full fire. Now he will cut the tomatoes. We use a lot of tomato in chicken karahi. We don't use onion in this type of dish, so we use a lot of tomato instead to make the gravy. So once chicken is fried, we put chilies and salt in it and then mix it. Now we put all the tomatoes and a few chilies in it. So we leave it as it is 3 to 5 minutes under full heat till the tomato water evaporates. So it is very important to initially cook it at a high fire. We will put the ginger in it. So now we will cover it and in low heat cook it maybe 10-15 parts, and in the meantime we will also heat up the charcoal. So we will heat it up till it is red hot. इसको इससे कर लो. Put little bit of oil on this charcoal and then cover it and switch off the heat. Now it will remain like this for about 8 to 10 minutes. हो गया? मुंह देखिए गाड़ी. Now we are going to put coriander, slices of ginger, and green chilies. Chicken karahi is ready. It is one of the most popular dishes in Pakistan. There is hardly any person in Pakistan who does not like this dish. It is very tasty and easy to make. Here in Tokyo also, I usually serve this dish to my guests and they like it very much. You can eat chicken karahi either with chapati or with rice. And usually in Pakistan we drink lassi with Pakistani food, especially during summer when it's very hot. People use a lot of lassi. Very tasty. Chicken karahi is very easy to make. It has very simple ingredients, not so spicy. So please try to make chicken karahi at home. You will enjoy it.